So this is here, as I told you in the beginning, this is the HR professionals report based on the difficulty recruiting the candidates. Okay. You know the process of selection very well, that all of us, we are designing resume. Nowadays the culture is of video resume, of course, and we are preparing accordingly as per the need of the company or the position for which we are applying for. But why they are finding it a good difficulty to have good candidates in? Why? Might be you have read the news in the newspapers, highlighted by the few newspapers, and the media coverage they have given to it, and frequently they are giving it that this much of engineers they have applied for the job of peon. Why? Why? Unemployability is not a problem. The problem is actually of employment skills where they are lacking it, right? As you can see here, the three circles are, the three oval shaped circles are there, and they are interrelated with each other. Okay, so all these things are interwoven with each other. The very first problem they always occurs in most of the candidates, that is the decision making and problem solving skills. If you have heard about Sundar Pichai, a very nice example I remember here, that is why he has been promoted within a night for being a CEO of Google. Okay, based on his two qualities, I have read his bio note, and I have read what are the things which have put emphasis on and which have dragged the company not to lose this a good kind of person from this place. Okay, so what was his qualities, right? Because he was a good decision maker. He was very silent member. That was his topmost quality. He was not speaking that much. As if you have observed business tycoons, the topmost business tycoons, whenever they have a business meet everywhere, they are not speaking too much. Rather, they are focusing more on listening part. Okay, they are always paying attention to the words, and they are always pay heed to what is being said and what are not. Okay, but they are very less talkative people. Fine. So that kind of qualities were there in Sundar Pichai. But the moment he was speaking in the meetings, the company people or the host of the meeting or the panel of the meeting, all the members of the meeting, they always have thoughts for his words, because he was a good decision maker. So when he planned to switch from one job to another, okay, so the company tried to stop him, and there was only one way to stop, because they were knowing it very well that he possessed that much of quality that offering a position is not going to work for him. Okay, then what is going to work a lot? That is to offer a good position and to offer a good salary. Okay, so as I was talking about the decision making and problem solving skills, because everyday problems are there with us, in front of us, all of us, and how you handle that situation with your decision making skills, it matters always, and it wrecks the mindset of others that you are a good decision maker. You have that much of capabilities that you can be shifted from one designation to another, and that is of course up to the highest level. Okay, because you have shown your problem solving skills along with the decision making skills, right? Critical thinking, innovation and creativity. As you can see here, 37% people, 37% candidates, they are lacking in these three. That is decision making, problem solving, critical thinking, innovation and creativity. Innovation and creativity is nowadays a big challenge. Big challenge, it's because the world is very competitive. We have e-commerce, okay, of course, that is running very fast. That is going to be the first choice of the working people, right? So how to make the balance between work life, okay, balance between e-commerce and the traditional trades, okay, how you are going to merge with the global market, how you will be going to achieve all these things at the same time. So really the people, those who are actually working in the companies, whenever they are interacting a candidate, they are finding that they are lacking here in these two qualities, that is their innovation and creativity, right? Why? Because creativity is the asset of an individual. All of us, we cannot be a creator. Okay. But innovation is always tangible. Okay. So, what you have to do, you have to work on all these three things together, and before you appear for an interview, before you want to interact with the highest authorities, always focus on all these things. That is, whether you are taking the things taken as granted or you are giving your logical reasoning with your critical thinking to it, right? The next one comes, that is ability to deal with complexity in ambiguous situations. 32%, it's a big figure. People, they are lacking here in their handling of the situation, the complex situation, the uncertain positions. The stock market is the best example where every day, every moment, fluctuation is there, right? So what qualities they need? They need the kind of vision. Okay, they need a kind of vigilancy so that they can guess, they can assess, they can interpret what is going to be happen few years after, few months after, or few hours after, right? 31% people, they are lacking in their communication skills. If you are a good communicator, you are always welcome. Okay, though you possess the quality of a good communication, but if you think you have a kind of attitude that like, I am working on a senior position, why should I interact in a very courteous way with my junior? Okay, with my co-workers, it will always be a question mark. Fine.